Everyone was waiting for the big moment. 3, 2, 1, boom! Happy New Year! Hello, my lovely friends. Happy New Year. Today, I'm here with my talented new assistant, Gogo, to make this festive New Year rabbit. Are you ready, Gogo?
Owl!
First, we need some light blue Play-Doh. No, Gogo. No shortcuts here. We have to use our hands. Roll the clay into a ball, then shape it like a chubby teardrop. We need some white Play-Doh. Roll it and flatten them, attach them to the body. This is the body. Now, mix a little blue with white to make it lighter. Roll the clay and stick it on for the muzzle. Use your tool to make 2 holes for the eyes. Put 2 white ovals in, and then 2 black dots. Use your tool to shape the muzzle. Now, use your fingers to make a tiny black triangle for the nose. Perfect! Make a small hole under the nose and give him 2 cute white bunny teeth. Gogo, let me see your rabbit. Great job. Now for the long ears. Make 2 blue teardrops. Flatten them with your fingers and stick them onto the top of the head. For the feet, make 2 more teardrops. Flatten them and draw little paws with your tool. Stick them under the body. Finally, the arms. Make 2 thin teardrops, press them gently, and attach them to the body. We're done! We're done! Wow, Gogo, your rabbit is so cute. Let me see yours. Oh, what a beautiful purple rabbit you made. And yours is amazing too. Now, let's take our rabbits to the New Year's party. If you loved this magical video, please like and subscribe. May your New Year be full of joy. Happy New Year! Bye!